Welcome to Shail Experts TV, where business minds meet godly principles. Are you an entrepreneur, business professional, or aspiring leader looking for your business to stand the test of time? You're in the right place. Shail Experts TV is designed for individuals who want to integrate their faith with their business endeavors, aiming for success that's both substantial and sustainable. At Shail Experts TV, we believe that true wisdom comes from God. Our journey began with a vision to merge practical business strategies with godly principles, creating a unique platform for growth and inspiration. What videos you'll find here? Videos on wealth. Learn how to build and manage wealth in a way that aligns with godly values. Finance and money. Get tips and strategies for financial planning and growth. Interpersonal skills. Enhance your communication and relationship-building skills. Self-improvement. Discover ways to improve yourself personally and professionally. All of these topics are mixed with godly principles to achieve success in the business world. Our mission. We aim to empower business minds with the principles of God's Word, fostering a community of faith-filled leaders. Consistency is key to growth, and we're committed to it. We post new videos a couple of times a week, ensuring a regular dose of motivation and practical advice to keep you on track. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Be part of a community that believes in achieving success through godly wisdom and principles. Join us as we dive into inspiring stories, practical business tips, and spiritual wisdom to help you grow both personally and professionally. Welcome to Shail Experts TV, where your business and faith grow together.